Here are the top laundry essentials that fix noise, odors, and buildup, and make your washer work like new. If your washer walks, shakes, or rattles, these anti-vibration pads fix it fast. The Tank Tread grip locks your washer or dryer in place, reduces noise, and protects your floors. They fit most round feet up to 1.75 inches and even include a level for proper setup. Simple upgrade, huge difference. Your dishwasher cleans dishes. But who cleans the dishwasher? A fresh dishwasher cleaner removes odor-causing bacteria, limescale, and mineral buildup inside the pump, tub, and hoses. Just drop in a tablet and run a cycle once a month. 6 tablets means 6 months of a fresher, better cleaning dishwasher. This 24-pack washing machine cleaner is a full year of deep cleaning. These tablets dissolve buildup, grime, and odor inside the drum and tub seal, even in HE and front-load washers. Septic safe and eco-friendly, it keeps your washer smelling fresh and running efficiently. 1 tablet, 1 clean machine. Need extra stability? These XL anti-vibration pads are built for heavier washers and dryers. The oversized design absorbs vibration, reduces noise, and prevents movement during spin cycles. Great for protecting laundry room floors and pedestals, especially if your machine shakes like crazy. Finally, OxiClean washing machine cleaner with odor blasters. This one attacks stubborn smells caused by residue and buildup inside your washer. Just run a cleaning cycle and let OxiClean do the work. 4 treatments that leave your washer fresh, clean, and ready for laundry day.